Velocity offers an AI-powered calling solution for buyers throughout the client shipping journey. To get started, head over to the AI Agents section and click on the Order Confirmation tab. Enable the order confirmation feature. Please note that there is a charge of 0.5 rupees per WhatsApp message and 4 rupees per minute for conversations handled by our AI bot. Once this feature is enabled, you can choose which types of orders this service should apply to, such as cash on delivery, prepaid, or both. Next, you have the option to activate WhatsApp order confirmation. This means that every client placing a cash on delivery order will receive a message like the one shown here. You can set up a specific interval, and after that time, the AI will place a call to the client to confirm their order. The process is quite similar for our NDR management. You can activate it by toggling the option here. When an order is marked as NDR, a WhatsApp message similar to this one will be triggered automatically. After setting up the desired interval, the AI call will be triggered to gather information on when Velocity can reattempt delivering the shipment. Additionally, you can enhance buyer communication by ensuring clients receive real-time updates on their orders. To set this up, go to Buyer Communication on the left side of your panel and enable updates for various stages such as order placed, order assigned, order picked up, out for delivery, arriving early or delayed, delivered, and return scheduled or picked up. You can find previews of all these messages here. Activate them by turning on the toggle. And note that this service incurs a fee of 0.5 rupees per message.